What's happening, everybody? It's Beachin with the Boones, and today we're at NHOP, the National House of Pancakes. Not IHOP, not the International. This one is totally different. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing for free because we cover everything beach related. So NHOP is located on the corner of 3rd Avenue South and Highway 17 in downtown Myrtle Beach. We've passed this place many times and heard it was great, so we decided to slide in and take a stab at it. We got here just a bit earlier than others, so the place wasn't too busy. However, when we left, it was slamming. At first glance, there's so much food to choose from, it may take you quite some time to decide. For breakfast, they have everything from pancakes and omelets to waffles and French toast, as well as a great lunch menu too, but we'll have to cover that another time. The price is a bit on the expensive side for us, but if you enjoy delicious food, it may be worth it to you. Inside, it's nicely decorated with humorous sayings and it's very spacious. So if you're with a large crowd, there shouldn't be too much of a problem. For an appetizer, we ordered a couple of chocolate-covered pancakes, which was also covered in delicious fruit like bananas and strawberries. Delicious! That alone will make you want to come here. Then I ordered the Western omelet. It came with ham, peppers, onions, and cheese, and I also got it with home fries. Bunny B got the sausage, ham, and cheese omelet. Both were really delicious. Our friends got the banana nut pancake with eggs and bacon. And the blueberry pancake with sausage and grits. And for adults, they have specialty drinks like the Drunk Bear Mimosa, Rum and Coke, Bloody Marys, and more. So for breakfast, our bill came out to be around $62 before taxes and fees. Like I said, it was a bit high for us, but the food was really good. So if the price isn't a concerning factor for you, but you're in the mood for a great breakfast place in downtown Myrtle Beach, then stop by the National House of Pancakes so you can keep beaching.